welcome back to my channel. Asterisk, the 2026 Nissan Altima is a mid-size sedan that blends practicality, comfort, and modern technology in a very balanced way. From the moment you walk up to it, the refined exterior design stands out. The familiar V-Emotion grille looks cleaner and sharper this year. The LED headlamps are slimmer, and the body lines run smoothly from the front to the rear, giving the car a confident and mature appearance. Depending on the trim, you can get 17 to 19-inch wheels that help the Altima sit firmly on the road without feeling overly aggressive. Inside, the cabin feels calm, comfortable, and organized. Nissan has improved the materials, offering soft-touch surfaces and stitched accents on higher trims. The front seats use the brand's well-known zero-gravity design, which means long drives feel much easier on the back. Rear passengers get solid legroom, and the trunk provides practical space for groceries, luggage, or day-to-day needs. Technology is one of the Altima's quiet strengths. Lower trims come with an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while higher trims upgrade to a larger 12.3-inch display, wireless smartphone connectivity, and a fully digital driver cluster. Everything feels intuitive, even for someone who's not tech-savvy under the hood. The 2026 Altima offers a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine with around 188 horsepower for daily driving. It's fuel-efficient and smooth, making it ideal for commuting. For drivers wanting more power, it's an available 2.0-liter VC turbo engine with about 248 horsepower. One of the Altima's standout advantages in this segment is the availability of all-wheel drive, making it a great choice for areas with rain, snow, or constantly changing road conditions. On the road, the Altima focuses on comfort. The suspension absorbs bumps well, the cabin stays quiet, and the steering feels natural. The senior trim adds a sportier feel with paddle shifters and a slightly firmer setup. But the Altima's overall personality remains calm and balanced rather than aggressive. Safety is another strong point. The standard safety package includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, rear cross-traffic alert, and high beam assist. Higher trims offer advanced driver assistance features like lane centering and adaptive cruise control that make highway driving smoother and less tiring in everyday life. The Altima fits easily into almost any routine. It's comfortable for long drives, smooth for city traffic, practical for families, and efficient for daily commuting. Running costs should remain. It's reasonable thanks to proven engines and widely available parts in most regions. It's not a high-performance sedan. And the CVT transmission may not excite drivers who prefer traditional gear shifts. But the Altima is designed for real-world needs rather than track-style performance. What it delivers is reliability, comfort, modern tech, and strong value for money. The 2026 Nissan Altima is ideal for anyone who wants a dependable, stylish mid-size sedan with a modern interior, advanced safety features, and the option of all-wheel drive. It's a refined, sensible car built for people who want comfort, usability, and peace of mind every day.